What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. In today's video, I'm super excited. I almost wasn't going to make a video of this, but I decided I'm going to put this in a video. We finished up my son's exhaust on his Stealth, and we're going to do a first startup for you guys, drive it around, see what it sounds like. So everything's all hooked up and ready to go. It fit pretty good. It comes with a silencer that you can remove. You can put it in if you want it quiet, take it out if you want it loud. We're going to do some clips for his channel with the silencer in and then take it out to show them the difference, but he's probably going to run without it because you don't install an exhaust to be quiet. That's just pointless. I don't see why the heck you'd want to run the silencer, but I guess some people do. But like I said, everything fit pretty good. We tested for leaks with some soapy water and we saw no leaks at any of the flanges or anything like that. So I guess the only thing left to do is start her up and hear how she sounds. Got your video going?
Yep.
Seems pretty happy. We already heard it because we had to start up and test for leaks, and it sounds pretty damn good. Pretty big difference. Ready?
Yep.
Woo. This thing sounds so much better. Got a slight rattle going on. I wonder if that's the silencer.
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, sounds pretty good.
Sounds good.
Sounds nice and clean. Give it a couple little revs. Let it warm up a little bit before we rev it. Okay, so now we took the silencer out. This is what the silencer is. Basically, this goes in the pipe there. So it has to come through that little tiny tip. You take this out, and then you get the full effect. So it should be much louder without the silencer. And like I said, what's the point of doing exhaust if you're gonna run the silencer? I seriously don't get it. So let's start her up and see what she sounds like now. Should sound much nicer, and then we'll go for a little rip and a drive and put some load on it and see how it sounds when you're cruising. Sounds much deeper, huh?
A lot deeper.
What do you think, Ryan?
It sounds so good.
Much deeper. That's nice. It's got a really nice growl to it. This thing's sick. It's got a really nice growl to it. Super deep. So now we're gonna get this thing off the stands, go take it for a little drive and put some load on it and see how she sounds. Yeah, if you guys want to see the full install, make sure you head over to Ryan's channel. I'll put a link in the description. I know I've been saying it a lot lately, almost every video, but that's because I really want to help boost his channel. So if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you go subscribe to him. Even if you don't want to watch his videos, just throw him that subscribe and run his numbers up. But you're going to see some pretty cool content because I'm not going to really put all the content on my channel. And you're going to see me help him work on his car and do things I've never even done before. I've never installed an exhaust, never done exhaust work. And it was a first for me, and it was really fun. We had a good time doing it. So make sure you go check his channel out. Link in the description. We went through the full exhaust process, and it was a nightmare, but we're finally done. Another thing under our belt, another thing learned. I am all for learning new things and just really advancing my, I guess, skill set. So yeah, I'm super excited, guys. I can't wait to go for another drive in this thing.
So good.
This thing is loud. That's not even touching the gas yet.
Oh my god. Sounds so good. Sounds so good. I think so.
He was like,
dude, we got a thumbs up already. That's awesome.
yeah, that dude was like super stoked. It's pretty cool to see people appreciate older cars like that.
It is.
It must sound good because it's kind of like a super thumbs up.
Oh,
He was
yeah.
excited.
He was happy.
Thing's got a menacing idle to it, dude.
It really does.
Oh, I don't want to pull the biker right there.
Yeah.
How did that guy still go so far around?
I don't
Like,
know. He went to the other side of the street.
Being like extra.
I mean, his truck's wide, but it's not that wide.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my, it sounds so good.
So yeah, there you have it. Hopefully the video did that some kind of justice. Probably not. I mean, I don't think the microphone can really do that exhaust justice and pick up all the tones it's really putting out, but it sounds really good. But if you guys like this video, make sure you drop a thumbs up. It really helps out the videos. Go down there and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of my son's channel and videos as well. And we'll see you on the next video, guys. Later.